Okay, g'day generals. Actually, that's if you're new to the channel, that's what I call our members. Hopefully, this is new. You're the first time sort of watching or learning. So this video is all about why CBA is dead and the two C's, Cochlear and CSL. You should be switching to. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the chart of CBA. So it's officially ended. It's a momentum upwards. We've had a number of sell signals. You see these shooting stars. That's where the price basically goes up and then finishes down here for the week. You can see that and we just had one a couple of weeks ago. Two of them. You know, the whole home growth is up the crap now. So a break of this rounded bottom here will signal lower prices. Okay, so now we want to look at Cochlear. So our members, so we started buying Cochlear here back in June. The div was 5.1, it's now 4.4. So it's part of our Dividend ASX300 portfolio. So we also had it. Actually, no, I've never owned it before, but it did put out back in February a sell on Cochlear because it broke in support here. We had an A, B, C, so we're looking for a bottom around this price here, and so we broke resistance, so we pulled the trigger. We do try and protect capital, so we actually did do a sell because protecting capital is number one rule, but then realised no, what's going on with it, so we got back in here, and so we use stop losses just to make sure. So that's the red line. So as long as prices don't collapse through there, then we will continue to hold. But what we like to do is take the ratio. So if you take the Cochlear chart and we divide it by the CBA chart, and we get the ASX version, not the German version. So ASX. Okay, so it's quite interesting, really. So when it's going up, Cochlear is outperforming CBA, and then vice versa. So you can see here we made this bottom at 2004 low here. So you didn't want to be in Cochlear at all since February 24. You want to have all your money in CBA. You can see CBA outperforming. And it's only this week that the price performance of Cochlear has outperformed CBA. So, and interesting that charts, how they align. Okay, CSL. All right, again, we put a sell out on CSL back here. Didn't own it before. Mainly, well, I started the channel April, March last year, and we were in resources. Still predominantly are, but have a dividend portfolio. Anyway, so similarly, we're looking for an A, B, C. So we're looking for a bottom somewhere around here, and it aligned with a bottom over here. So started sniffing around and pulled the trigger here. And like with Cochlear, sold didn't want to see it come all the way back down, and then we've jumped back in. Again, we've got our stop loss here. All right, so how does CSL go against CBA? All right, so again, so you can see since 2012, CSL outperforming CBA until April 20. Then you want to get out of CSL and just stick in CBA ever since. And a bit like Cochlear, it's now breaking out of that trend. So obviously as CBA goes down and Cochlear and CSL price goes up, that trend break becomes even more. So I hope you found that entertaining. We do have a number of portfolios actually. We basically started the channel with 100 grand with Ninja's portfolio, but this is mainly resource base, active sort of trading. So 100's gone to 300 odd in just over a year and a half. But we've also got started this in April this year, so it's just meant to have. So we're up 20% and haven't had any dividends paid. That's but you can see it's got more blue chip type things in it. All right, so if you're interested, join the channel. There's details in the description of the video, and otherwise, have a good one. So yeah.